Can you count in fives all the way to 30 from 0 and back again, whilst bobbing up and down? Ready? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Whew. And back. 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Phew!
Hey, this way. Place value helps us to work out the value of a digit depending on its place or position in a number. But when we get to 9, we run out of numbers. Don't worry, little fella. Now we're going to need something even bigger. Tens. Oh, phew. There you are. Now you can see where the different values are placed. The tens are at the back and the ones out in front. And when we get to 20... Uh-oh. Here we go again.